What if Google actually understood your questions instead of throwing a million links at you? Meet Perplexity AI, the smartest search engine you've never heard of. It doesn't just search, it explains. Ask it anything from how to start a business to what caused the Sudan conflict, and it breaks it down like a human teacher step by step, citing real sources along the way. No pop-ups, no SEO traps, just pure useful knowledge. And here's the best part. You don't need to scroll through 10 blog posts to find the one fact you need. Perplexity gives it to you instantly. Stick around. We're diving into 4 powerful things that make Perplexity AI your new digital brain. The first powerful feature is its ability to provide context, ensuring you fully understand the answers you're given. Secondly, it sources information from a wide range of credible platforms, giving you reliable knowledge at your fingertips. The third feature is its conversational interface, making interactions feel natural and engaging. Finally, Perplexity AI learns from your queries, continuously improving to provide even better answers over time. With these features combined, Perplexity AI transforms the way we seek information, making knowledge more accessible than ever. Let's start with this. Perplexity gives answers with real-time verified sources. That's right, it doesn't hallucinate or guess like ChatGPT sometimes does. It shows you where it got the answer from, so you can double-check everything. Whether it's a medical question, financial advice, or a school project, this AI links directly to scientific journals, trusted media, and research. It's like getting a full research assistant without the noise. If Google is a library with 1,000 doors, Perplexity is the librarian who hands you the right book in 5 seconds. That's a game changer. In an age where information overload is the norm, having verified answers at your fingertips is invaluable. This tool empowers users to make informed decisions based on reliable data. With Perplexity, you can navigate complex topics with ease and confidence. Imagine the time you'll save by having accurate information readily available. In essence, Perplexity transforms the way we approach learning and discovery. This is the future of research where accuracy meets accessibility. As more people embrace this technology, we'll witness a shift in how knowledge is shared and consumed. Number 3, it's a daily tool, not a one-time gimmick. You can use Perplexity to plan a trip, write a script, summarize a PDF, or brainstorm content ideas. Writers are using it to speed up research. Students are getting essay help. Coders are debugging with better documentation. You can even sign in and create custom threads, save searches, and ask follow-up questions like you're chatting with a real tutor. It learns your style, remembers what you asked, and evolves the answer. In short, it's not just search, it's conversation-based thinking, and it's free. With seamless integration into your daily routine, it becomes an indispensable part of your workflow. Whether you're tackling a complex project or simply seeking quick information, it adapts to your needs. Its intuitive interface minimizes distractions, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. As you engage with it daily, you'll discover new ways to enhance your productivity and creativity. The more you use it, the smarter and more tailored it becomes to your unique preferences. Imagine having a personal assistant that works tirelessly alongside you, empowering your decisions and insights. It transforms the way you gather information, making the process feel effortless and engaging. The future of search is unfolding right before our eyes, and it's not what you might expect. Perplexity AI is at the forefront of this revolution, showcasing a new paradigm in how we interact with information. Unlike traditional search engines, Perplexity AI offers not just results, but a conversation with knowledge itself. Users are finding answers faster and more accurately, all while saving precious time in their daily tasks. This shift is attracting big creators and professionals who crave efficiency and depth in their research. Students are also embracing this tool as it transforms their learning experience into something more profound and engaging. By eliminating the noise of clickbait, Perplexity AI allows users to focus on what truly matters: insightful and relevant content. As curiosity becomes the driving force behind exploration, Perplexity AI empowers individuals to navigate knowledge with ease. So why wait? Step into the future of search and let your curiosity lead to discovery. Experience the difference today and uncover a world of information that truly resonates with you. Subscribe now for more powerful insights and tools as we explore the next frontier of technology, the AI that can clone your voice.